Hey, good morning, or I guess good afternoon. I wanted to make a quick video so that you were totally sure of what you should do in class when I'm not there. So, go to today's agenda. You obviously already have because you're watching this video. There are a couple of things for you to take care of. So, first of all, this first link says Edpuzzle Part 2 of Cask of Amontillado. So you click on that. It might ask you to sign in. Please sign in with your Google account. That way I can keep track of what you've done. So all it is if you've never used Edpuzzle before, you just go ahead and hit play. It'll start this video, and when it hits these green sections, it's going to ask you a question. Sometimes it's multiple choice, sometimes it's short answer. You need to make sure that you put in a response for each of those so that I can see that you've done what's been asked of you today. This particular video, this first one, is just the second half of that short film that we already watched. So now that we've read and we know that Fortunato gets bricked into a wall in the catacombs, you'll be able to watch that and see how it plays out in this particular little film. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this one, same program, Edpuzzle, so if it asks you to sign in again, please do so. But this is a cool story. It's in your literature book after Cask of Amontillado, so if you want to read along and not have to look at the screen, you could get a lit book and do it that way. But same deal, you play it, it's pretty short, only 3 minutes here. You play it and you just answer the questions as you go. So you've got that for you to practice as well. And then lastly, or not lastly, you have this checkpoint preview video. So you have a checkpoint tomorrow on Friday, and I'm going to show you the questions. And so I'm going to just read you the questions and show you the test. Something that you could do in your time today is prepare your answers for that. So that's not cheating. I'm actually asking you to do it. It's just preparing for tomorrow's test. I'm also going to go back and put the link from today in there, or from Wednesday or Tuesday in there, so that you could go back and finish those short answer responses. I had you do 2 in the previous class period, so I'd like you to do the remaining 2 today to make sure that you're practicing for the assessment. Obviously, these are expectations that you complete this work today, and if you look at it, it's really probably only about 30-35 minutes of work, which leaves you with some extra time. The expectation in the extra time is that you are respectful to the teacher who is in the room today, that you remain in your assigned seat, and that you find something to do quietly. That shouldn't be difficult. I've built the lesson so that it doesn't take up your whole time. So I expect you to do the things that I'm asking you to do, and then I've given you some leeway to spend some time in a way that you deem important. So please make sure that you're following the rules, you're being respectful of the classroom, of each other, and of course of the teacher who is in the room. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Checkpoint tomorrow. Do not forget, short answer checkpoint. And then we'll celebrate homecoming. Okay, have a great day. Thank you very much in advance for your cooperation.